Hey guys, welcome to my investment journey, the series I'm doing on YouTube where I'm documenting my investment journey as a complete beginner, getting into the stock market and doing my investments for the first time using Trading 212. So if you saw the last video at the weekend, you'll see that my portfolio was actually negative. It was in the red, which is actually something that's quite common for a lot of people at the time. I was down minus £29.96, and there was a minus 0.76% drop in my portfolio overall from when I started investing at the beginning of April. Yesterday, Monday, wasn't too great either. So the markets opened and the portfolio never really climbed much throughout the day at all. It finished, the market closed, when the market closed Monday, my portfolio had moved from minus £29 down to minus £7.52, so a minus 0.19% on my portfolio overall. Thankfully though, today was a bit better so far. So Tuesday, the portfolio has went from red to green, so it's great to see some green again. It's always a positive thing. And we're now sitting up again, so we're showing a positive return, and I'm seeing green on quite a few of my investments. Main one being Shell. So Shell dropped massively, and that was firmly in the red for me, but that's now went green as well, which is good news. So I'll take you into my Trading 212 portfolio like always in a minute, and you can see exactly what's happened, what's changed. So I'll talk you through that, and I'll also tell you what I'm thinking of doing next. But yeah, for now, really, that's it. This, like I say, welcome to episode 6. I'd like to say a big thanks to all the recent subscribers to this channel. You guys have really shocked me. The subscriber numbers really started to climb, which I didn't expect at all. I think the number was down about 60 when I first started doing this, or 50 subscribers, I think, from just old videos years ago on YouTube. And they've really started to climb up these last few days since I've been doing this investment journey series. So you guys are obviously really liking this sort of thing. So yeah, big thanks for that. I also managed to receive my second free share with National Grid on Trading 212, which means somebody signed up with one of my referral links again. So big thanks for that. So if that was you currently watching this, if you signed up and you got a free share, if you can let me know in the comment section below what free share you received, I'd like to know. I know the first person who signed up with my link, they got a free share in Shell, which is a brilliant company to get a free share in. My first free share was in National Grid, and my second free share also happened to be National Grid. So I'm starting to wonder if people are receiving more free shares in National Grid. So I don't know if you maybe get free, if you've had a free share in Trading 212 and it's happened to be National Grid. Again, let me know in the comments. I'd just like to see if there's a pattern going on here. So yeah, that's really all for now. If you like this sort of thing, if you're new to this and you like seeing a complete beginner get involved in investing in the stock market using an app like Trading 212, then please click the like button, click subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, lets other people see the videos. So that'd be brilliant. And with that being said, I'm now going to take you into my Trading 212 app, like always, on my iPhone here. So we'll switch over, you'll see my iPhone screen, and I'll talk you through that. So here we go, guys. Again, thank you very much, and we will speak to you soon. Hey guys, so here we are again on my iPhone. I'm going to take you into my Trading 212 portfolio and show you how things are looking. I'm actually really annoyed with myself. I just filmed a 10-minute video explaining the details of my portfolio and how things are just now, and then I realised the microphone on the screen recorder was actually off. So if you've used the iPhone screen recorder before, you actually have to set the microphone to be on. I don't know if there's a way of maybe keeping it on permanently. So I basically started the recording without realising that the microphone was off. Did a 10-minute video in my Trading 212 portfolio, and yeah, microphone was off, so it picked up no audio, so it was completely pointless, complete waste of time. Again, it just kind of shows that I'm a total beginner with all this sort of stuff still, just getting into it. And yeah, I'm just starting out on YouTube for the first time doing this, starting out in the stock market, complete beginner. But, you know, that's a journey. That's why I've called this my investment journey. I should also maybe have called it my YouTube journey. But yeah, we could always change the titles, I suppose. Anyway, let's go back into the Trading 212 portfolio here. And I'll try and keep this a bit shorter because I cannot be bothered talking for another 10 minutes again like I just did. With that out of the way, we'll head to my portfolio page as usual. And here we go. So portfolio, as you can see, it's currently in the green, which is really positive. Showing a return of £95.14, so an increase of 2.42% on my portfolio overall. So again, I've still invested £3,929.91 so far into my stocks and shares ISA in Trading 212, which is currently using up 14% of my ISA utilization for this year. So yeah, it was really good to see. If you watched the last video, things weren't looking good. That was at the weekend. It was showing, as you can see here, negative £29.96 on my portfolio overall, which was down 0.76%. So yeah, it wasn't too great. I did hope things would climb on Monday, but if we move along here to Monday, you can see it didn't really get anywhere. So market closed on Monday at 4:30, and we were still down the negative. We're still showing red. It was a negative £7.52 and negative 0.19% on the portfolio. So yeah, it wasn't too promising, but I was hoping for good things with Tuesday. And if I move along here to Tuesday, so markets opened this morning, 8 o'clock in the morning, as always. And thankfully things did start to climb. And market closed today. It was showing a return of £95.14. So an increase of 2.42% on the portfolio, which was really promising and put a bit of a smile on my face. Out of the red into the green. The question is, how long will this last? Nobody knows. I certainly don't know. Don't know if you maybe know or if you've got an idea. But yeah, anyway, it's good to see some green. It's good to see we're out the red. It's only Tuesday. Still Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to go. A lot of things can change by then. So let's keep our eyes open. If I take you down to my investments section, as always, nothing's really changed here. So I've not bought any more shares in the iShares Core FTSE 100 or the S&P 500 because I'm wanting to watch the markets, I think, until later in the week for just now, get a better idea of how things are looking maybe, and just so I can feel a bit more confident in my own abilities with investing here. I keep thinking there's going to be another crash, even more than what we've currently seen. But again, I don't know. And it just keeps making me think the whole quote of timing the market's better than timing the market. I think it was Peter Lynch, possibly. If I got that wrong, someone will let me know in the comments section below, I'm sure. So yeah, nothing's really changed with the FTSE 100 or the S&P 500. I've not bought any more in the Legal and General group. That's still the same. It's been good to see that they've started to climb back up though. So that's promising as well. I actually received another free share in National Grid this morning, which was good news. So that basically means somebody signed up through my referral link, or through one of my referral links to Trading 212. So if that's currently you, like I said earlier, watching this and you signed up, please let me know what share you received. I'd be interested to know. I'm just a bit, like I said, I've now got 2 shares in National Grid. I know the first person who signed up, they left me a comment on one of my videos. They actually received a free share in Shell. So I think they got the better deal for sure. So yeah, I'd like to see what free shares people are actually receiving from my referral links. So yeah, if that was you, let me know, please. And let's continue on here. So Shell, they've actually went up again, which is really promising to see. So if we take you back to how it was looking at the weekend, or sorry, from when markets closed on Friday, it was it was still in the red for me. It was still quite low down, hovering about £12 a share. But it's very gradually started to climb back up here. And then Tuesday, so this morning, it kind of shot up a bit there. So it's about 12.78. Then it dipped again, went back up, but it's actually went up enough now. So it's at £12.86 a share, roughly. Which it's been enough for it to put it back in the green for me, which is good to see. So again, nothing's changed as much there. I might add more to it later in the week, depending on how things go. But right now, I'm happy with my 75 shares because I still think that's a big chunk of my portfolio to having just one company. Okay, yes, it's a big, massive company, a blue chip company. Confident in them, confident in them lasting long term. So yeah, I'm not too worried about them. But we'll see what happens in the next few years. And moving down again to Vanguard FTSE Emerging Markets, sorry. Nothing's really changed there. It has started to climb up again a bit, which is good news. So from the weekend, It shot up again this morning, kind of bottomed out a little bit there, hovered for a while, and it's now back up. But it's actually went up enough to not show us too much of a loss for me. I think it was down about negative £15-16 for me in the last video. It's now about negative £7.5, so it's not looking too bad. I think it will continue to increase, but the question is for how long, nobody knows. So I'll finish off again by going down to my allocation here, show you that. So again, I've got my 6 investments. I've got the iShares Core FTSE 100 taking up about 30% of my portfolio. 24% roughly is taken up by Shell. Again, important to note, if you're wanting to invest in Shell and you're in the UK, looking to invest in the RDSB shares. There's plenty of reasons for doing that. The main one is tax benefits if you're investing in the UK. If you invest in the RDSA shares, it's to do with the Dutch withholdings of tax and all that sort of stuff. So basically, don't complicate that in your head. Just invest in RDSB if you're in the UK. Keep it simple. So yeah, they're taking up about 24% of my portfolio. I've got the iShares Core S&P 500 taking up 23%. Again, I do want to increase that, but I think that's going to drop lower. So I'm holding out until at least the end of the week into next week, and we'll see how that goes. FTSE Emerging Markets taking up about 14.5%. Legal and General, 7.3%. And then I've got my 2 free shares in National Grid. Again, big thanks to whoever it was that signed up. They're taking up about 0.5%. So yeah, things are starting to maybe look up. It's in the green, like I say, at least, which is good. So the question is now, how long is it going to last again? We're just gonna have to see how this week plays out and see how things go. But yeah, as always, I'm a complete beginner. Only been doing this since the beginning of April, learning more and more every day and trying to share what I find with you guys. Hopefully, if you're following along and you're just started on your investing journeys as well, please leave a comment below. Let me know how your portfolio is currently looking. Let me know what investments you're looking at, and if you've got your eye on any company in particular and reasons why. I'd be really interested to know. Try and get a bit of discussion going on between us all. Definitely hit the like button if you like this sort of content, obviously. Just click the thumbs up. It really helps the channel and also helps other channels see these sort of videos, which is obviously brilliant news if there's other people out there just starting on their journeys with investing. And yeah, if you are watching this and you want to get involved in the world of investing with an app like Trading212, which is what I'm currently using, please look in the description below, or I'll put it in the top comment. I'll pin a comment with my referral link, which, as it says here, if you join through my referral link, you'll receive a free stock share. They actually say, Trading212 say it will be a free stock share worth up to the value of £100. So yeah, it's definitely worth doing. I wish when I first created an account with Trading212, I signed up through somebody's referral link, but sadly I never took the time to do that. I kind of jumped in a little bit, and it was only after I'd created my account and everything I started reading into the whole free share idea, and then realised I could have signed up with through someone else's link and received a free share myself. So yeah, if you're interested, do that, and more importantly, if you do end up signing up through my link, let me know in the comment section below this video what free share you receive. Be really interested to know, and hopefully strike lucky and get a free share like Shell, like that other person who signed up in one of my previous videos. So yeah, that's really it for now. If you like this, I will hopefully see you in the next video, and we can take things from there. I'll probably put that up on Friday when the markets close, and we'll just see how things have changed from that point on. So yeah, big thanks again, guys, and we'll see you then.